how to reset all settings on iPhone without losing data. So if you want to reset all settings on your iPhone without losing your data, then what you need to do is first, you need to start by opening your settings application. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on General, which will be in the bottom. Now keep scrolling to the very bottom of your screen, and then you will have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once you find Transfer or Reset iPhone, on this page, tap on Reset, which will be in the bottom. You'll see a few options, but the one we want is Reset All Settings. Go ahead and tap on Reset All Settings. When you tap on it, you will get a confirmation screen that explains this won't delete your data, so your photos, videos, music, and apps will all stay safe. Only your settings like Wi-Fi, passwords, wallpaper, and preferences will be reset. This means you'll need to wait for at least 1 hour before the reset can be done. So wait for 1 hour, just simply tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings and then enter your password. And after that, wait for 1 hour. After confirming, your iPhone will restart. You might see the Apple logo and a loading bar. Just don't worry, that's completely normal. Once it finishes, you'll be taken back to your home screen. You'll see all of your apps and photos, files are still there. Only your settings have been reset. And that's it. That's how you can reset all of your settings on your iPhone without losing your data. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.